Have you ever wondered why most Indians do not speak English fluently? Let's not talk about most Indians. What about you? I'm talking about you. If you are watching this video, chances are that you also don't know how to speak this language fluently. And I am here to help you with that. I'll tell you why most Indians do not speak English fluently, why you are not able to speak this language fluently. If you are coming from an English medium background, chances are that you are trying to speak this language fluently through grammar, and you are trying to learn everything in grammar. And I am going to tell you what to learn to become fluent in this language. I am going to tell you 4 things that you need to keep in mind if you want to speak this language fluently. In short, what I am trying to say here is, don't master grammar rules if you want to become a fluent speaker. Don't try to learn too much grammar rules. I just want you to learn these 4 things and 80% of your grammar problem will be gone. If you are struggling with forming sentences while speaking, just try to learn these 4 things that I am going to share with you in this video. Okay, I have made that mistake. That is why I'm saying you. I don't want you to make the same mistake over and over again. I have made that mistake. I had learned all the grammar rules thinking that it would help me speak English fluently, but that never happened. The rules that I had learned never helped me speak English fluently. But there were absolutely some rules that helped me, and I'm going to share those rules with you guys. If you want to become a fluent speaker, watch this video till the end and I'll prove why you should be learning those rules. Let me tell you one more important thing. If you are coming from Hindi medium background or non-English medium background, listen to me very carefully. The most important aspect of learning English grammar for fluency is mastering the sentence structure with tense clarity. What I'm saying, अगर आप sentence structure सीखते हो with tense clarity, तो ही आप fluent बन सकते हो. Otherwise, you will never become fluent in this language. जो अभी course sell कर रहे हैं in the market, जो लोग course sell कर रहे हैं, वो यही सिखाते हैं. So let's talk about the first thing. The first thing I want you to learn about tenses is learn about simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense. I just want you to learn these 3 things. And if I talk about past tense, learn simple past tense, then past perfect tense. I just want you to pen it down. Take a paper and a pen, and I just want you to pen it down so that you can remember what I said. Okay? I just want you to remember simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and you can learn present perfect continuous tense. And if I talk about past tense, learn simple past tense and past perfect tense. And if I talk about future tense, learn simple future. I just want you to learn simple future. These are the tenses that you must have in your mind all the time. Okay? If you learn these sentences, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप ये टेंसेस को हमेशा माइंड में रखें, क्योंकि अगर आप ये टेंसेस को सीख लेते हो तो क्योंकि जो भी 90% to 95% कॉन्वर्सेशन डेली लाइफ में होता है ना, यही टेंसेस यूज हो रहे होते हैं. तो अगर मैं अपनी एक्सपीरियंस के अनुसार बता रहा हूँ कि अगर आप ये टेंसेस के बारे में अच्छे से पढ़ते, अच्छे से जानते हैं, अगर आप बोलेंगे कि ये टेंसेस के बारे में सिखाओ, तो मैं अगली वीडियो में बताऊंगा. बट I am just telling you to study about these tenses. If you study about these tenses, 90% of your problem of forming sentences while speaking will be gone. This is my promise. Yeah? अगर आप IPL देखते हो, अगर देख रहे होगे ये लास्ट सीजन वाला, तो उसमें क्या था कि ज़्यादातर सिंपल प्रेजेंट से ही सेंटेंस को उठाकर बोला जाता है. समटाइम्स इट्स प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस, सबसे ज़्यादा जो सेंटेंस बोला जाता है वो सिंपल प्रेजेंट का होता है. तो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट यू टू पे द मोस्ट अटेंशन टू सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, एंड 90% ऑफ योर प्रॉब्लम of forming sentence while speaking will be gone. Once you learn about tenses, I just want you to move to sentence structure, because this is the most important thing you can learn to become fluent in English. Because of this, people get stuck while forming sentences. People get stuck while speaking in this language. And if you learn sentence structure, nothing can stop you from becoming fluent. And what do I mean by fluency? Let me tell you. Fluency means people understand you and you understand them. People understand you to understand you enough to give you feedback, and you understand people enough to give them feedback. This is what fluency to me. Okay. So where was I? I was talking about sentence structure. Sentence structure means I am going there. I am not going there. I will go there. I won't go there. I just want you to learn affirmative sentences, negative sentences, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences. These are the sentence structure that you need to learn. Let's talk about the third thing. Third thing that I want you to learn is connectors. Yeah, connectors, words like because, even if, although, these are the connectors. If you learn this, your speeches become smooth and natural. That is why I am saying you to learn connectors, because when you will speak English, you will be using connectors most of the time. Okay, because, although, even if, these are some of the connectors that you have to have in your mind all the time. Okay, now let's talk about the fourth thing. The fourth thing is that don't over focus on rare grammar rules. I've seen those students learning complex rules of grammar that they will never use in their life, but they're still learning all those grammar rules, thinking that someday they will use those grammar rules and they will never get stuck while speaking in this language. But I guarantee you that those rules, you are never going to use those rules, because I speak English and I'm telling you from my experience that I never use any complex grammar rules. Okay, so I just want you to learn the rules that you use in your day-to-day life. Learn the rules that help you express yourself clearly and confidently. That's the rule I want you to learn every single day. Yeah, these were the core English grammar rules that I wanted you to learn. If you learn these rules, 80 to 90% of your grammar problem will be gone. This is my promise. So if you are watching this video till now, I just want you to hit the like button and let me know that I watched your full video.